In this example, let's say I work on the HR team and need to provide answers to employee questions that spans multiple information sources. I begin in PDF Spaces, the workspace inside Acrobat Studio designed with security in mind. This is where I bring together everything for HR communications: policies, compliance docs, training transcripts, and past guides into a single knowledge hub to stay organized and focused. I can add just about any document format, up to 100 documents, so nothing critical gets left out when preparing the next employee communication. Once the documents are uploaded, PDF Spaces gives me an instant overview, no prompt required, of key details about policies, benefits, and other insights. I cut through the noise and get straight to what matters. Next, I can go deeper by telling the AI assistant what to focus on. I can select a pre-built assistant or customize my own, naming it and defining its role. I create an HR assistant that simplifies documents, highlights key points, and provides clear, concise answers to employee questions. The assistant quickly surfaces risks and opportunities and other valuable insights. Every point includes clickable citations, so I can validate the source and dive deeper into the original document when needed. With a clear view of the information, I ask the AI assistant to generate a first draft summary of a new benefit update. I can save this as a note, then spend my time where it matters most, refining the language, validating accuracy, and aligning with HR leadership. I can share the PDF space with colleagues so everyone has the same information and context. Now that the content for the employee-facing guide is built, I can take it to the next level with a professional design. From the Acrobat Studio home, I jump right into Adobe Express, where I can choose from a template or start with a company's branded design. After sharing the draft with colleagues for review in Acrobat, I can see feedback comments in one place with the right context. Based on that feedback, I can easily update visuals, either by generating a more relevant one with Firefly, which is trained on commercially safe data, or by selecting from the company's brand kit. That's the power of Acrobat Studio.